Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. In today's episode, we're going to fix this Rainbird sprinkler valve. Both the automatic and manual turn valve are broken. We're going to fix this thing without cutting any PVC. Let's do it. I like to keep a few extra sprinkler valves of the same model and type, just in case something like this happens. Basically what we're going to do is remove the top of this brand new valve and replace the old parts on the valve that's in use. That way I don't have to cut any of the PVC and I just reuse the bottom half of the valve. As far as materials go, you'll just need a new valve and a screwdriver. As usual, links are in the description. As you can see, the anti-siphon part of the valve just screwed off with your bare hand. The rest of it has to be done with a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the top half, and then the diaphragm from the inside can just be pulled right off. Now you just have to do the exact same thing on the valve that's been installed. Remove the old anti-siphon valve and then take your screwdriver to remove the top of the solenoid part of the valve. Now it's as simple as replacing the old parts with the new ones and screwing in the top part once again. Just be careful not to strip out any of the screw holes. You're talking about driving metal screws into a plastic base. If you strip out one of the screw holes, it'll always leak in that position, and you will be forced to cut out the bottom half of the valve to replace it. When you put the new anti-siphon part of the valve on, make sure you get the gasket in there. Without the gasket, you're going to have a leak at that position. Now it's time to hook up the wires for the automatic sprinklers. All you basically need to do is get the old sprinkler wires, cut and strip them, and then attach them with wire nuts. Just make sure you get the right ones set up so that whenever the valve's supposed to come on, it comes on without any problems. I use an Orbit Beehive sprinkler timer. It's hooked up to my home Wi-Fi, so it's as simple as a few taps on my phone app to be able to turn on a sprinkler valve. I'll leave a link in the description for anyone who's interested. So here it is, basically a brand new working valve without cutting any PVC pipe to replace it. As you can see at the beginning there's a dead spot on my lawn, and that's how I realized my sprinkler weren't turned on. If you enjoyed this project, please check out our other projects on Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects. And please like and subscribe for future projects.